Thank you, merci, and gracias. I had to do that. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Patricia Hartley, and this is my channel, Road Trip Trish. On today's episode, I'm actually going to be unboxing a KitchenAid. It's a KitchenAid Professional Plus Bowl Lift Stand Mixer. Got to give a special shout out to my mama, who basically sponsored not only the video, but she purchased this for me because it's my birthday. When you open the box, oh, that's nice. Look. So open up the box. Okay, all right. Looks like it's gonna have to be some putting some things together here. On the inside of what I first opened up, which looks like the bowl. All right, okay. It's a lot of cardboard for this, but it's necessary. This looks like the bowl. Okay. Don't know which bowl this is, but it's a bowl. And then we have this component for like the little mixing tool. Alright, I'll sit this out there too so y'all can just kind of visually see. If you want a warranty, you do have to make sure that you get that while you're at the store. So I was able to get a warranty at the store because I plan on using it. It looks like it comes with a little mixer spoon. Okay, mixer spoon. This is a surprise. I don't think I anticipated that. And then the big part of it is, I'm gonna get it, hold on. The mixer looks like it's it's in there. So we gonna put it on the counter, drop something else. Maybe this is why people don't unbox it in front of y'all. But what I dropped was one of these tools for mixing. The other one that I dropped was the one for like the dough. So I know that this one is for the dough. I've watched a lot of videos. It's so pretty, y'all. It's gorgeous. It's definitely got a little weight to it. Think you heard it. So I'm gonna hold on to the top part so it don't do that on my counter. Y'all have no idea how long I have wanted the KitchenAid mixer. Thank you, Mama, for making my dreams come true. I wanted to just give you a visual of what the box looked like, but then I also wanted to just sort of explain some of the items that I put out. You also get an entire little manual, of course, the SOP that tells you. But I just felt more comfortable before I leave today, just letting you know exactly what those items are. And then also separating for you the items that actually came in here, but then also the ones that are considered to be the special gift items. And so the special gift items that was included are here. And that's the smaller bowl, which I believe is a 3-quart bowl, 2.8 liters. And then there's a stainless steel little mini whip right here, and so this is the mini whip that goes with it, and then this is also the spatula. So these 3 things was actually extra, so I just wanted to just be transparent with y'all about that and just let you know. Now the things that you see here right in front of me are items that comes with this particular mixer regardless. I was just able to get a special edition, and I appreciate that. So as you know, you have the large mixer, that actual mixer bowl that actually comes with the KitchenAid. You also have your flat beater right here. I've seen this used a lot. I can't wait to use it. You also have your spiral dough hook. So when I'm making dough, I'll probably definitely be making sure that I use this one. And then you also have what is called the wire whip. Now, this is the wire whip that very strong too, by the way. Let them know they don't play about this. They don't play. And then you have the mini one here if you needed to use this. So it's just a mini version to me of that. Your spatula, and then of course with the bowl, to me this is a smaller version of the bowl that actually comes with it. So to me, if you don't have much dough, maybe you're doing something that requires like maybe 2 cups of flour, maybe you're mixing your egg whites, whatever the case may be, then you can use your smaller bowl. As I become a little bit more experienced with my KitchenAid, I'll be able to give you more advice going forward in the future. But for right now, I just wanted to show y'all exactly what came with my KitchenAid. I was so excited. Me and my mom actually just came from the store. And we came home and I just recorded the video because I was just that excited. Another shout out to my mama. Thank you so much for making my birthday that much more special. And I hope that y'all are having a fantastic summer 2021 and happy July.